Hey, so I'm just coming back from the gym and I need a smoothie. So I want to share with you my go-to smoothie for after I get home from a boot camp class. So I think all these ingredients, each and every one of you will probably have in your house, except for maybe one or two, and you can easily pick it up just about anywhere. So first we're gonna start off with our liquids, all right? So 1 cup of almond milk. Make sure that is unsweetened. We're gonna do 1 cup of water. It's a little foggy because I just had almond milk in it, don't be alarmed. All right, now what we're gonna throw in is some chia seeds. This is 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. The important part with chia seeds is it gives you a really good omega-3s, but you need to make sure that it gets blended up and broken up for you to be able to absorb as much of that as possible. Okay, now we're gonna throw in a medjool date, a pitted medjool date. All right, now 2 tablespoons of all natural peanut butter with no salt or oil added, just roasted peanuts blended together to make smoothie delicious peanut butter. Gotta make sure I get it all in there. All right, now I'm going to throw in some vegan, of course, sport protein. This is the mocha flavor by Vega. Vega is pretty much my go-to brand. This is not an endorsement, but I do love Vega. Every ingredient in each of the products serves a purpose. There's no filler or crap, basically. So usually after I have any kind of workout, I take Recovery Accelerator, again by Vega, to help clear out all the lactic acid and restore my glycogen levels. And one of the main active ingredients in it is maca root powder. Now today I didn't get a chance to have Recovery Accelerator, so I'm going to add, this is optional, but I'm gonna add a teaspoon of maca root powder. Make sure it's gelatinized, that's really important. It just helps to prevent any stomach upset. And lastly, I've got my favorite ingredient, kale. This is about, I don't know, a stalk of kale, maybe a 1/4 cup or whatever. Usually I put more, this is all I had today. I'm gonna just throw that in there right now. Yeah, that's sad, that's not a lot. That's not a lot at all. You can also use spinach. I would recommend a cup. Usually I would use a whole cup of kale and or spinach. But again, I've gotta go grocery shopping, so that's all I've got today. All right, so now it's time to blend this up and drink this bad boy. Charles? Yes? I'm just recording a video. That's all right. All right, so it's all blended up and ready to be poured and put into my belly. So here we go. That is so good. So good. All right, so if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, then click that little bell to get notified every time I post a video. Wanna come say hi? Hey, you wanna try Daddy's smoothie?
Yes.
Did you get it? What do you think?
Good.
Is it good? All right. Please consider supporting me on Patreon so I can bring you more videos more frequently. Stay awesome and go vegan.